If you haven't had a morning erection in months, or even years, listen closely. There's a simple nightly step that could bring it back. 1 tablespoon before bed. No pills, no prescriptions, no expensive treatments. Just something you likely already have in your kitchen. I'm Dr. Eva Cole, and today I'll show you why this works, how it supports your hormones, and why thousands of men are seeing real results. I know what you're thinking. A kitchen oil swallowed before sleep? It sounds almost too simple, but the results speak for themselves. Men are noticing improvements in just a few weeks. You don't rub anything on, you don't take prescriptions, just a spoonful at night, and your body does the rest. Here's the science. Your body produces hormones, especially testosterone, while you sleep. Hormones need healthy fats, and these oils provide exactly that. Think of it like a factory on the night shift. Stock it with premium materials, and production runs smoothly. By the time your hormone factory kicks in, the ingredients are ready, supporting testosterone, circulation, and stronger morning erections. One patient hadn't had a morning erection in over 5 years. After 3 weeks of nightly oil, he woke up shocked, laughing on the edge of his bed. That spark, confidence, energy, feeling like yourself again, is exactly what this simple nightly habit can restore. Sometimes the simplest things really are the most powerful. If you haven't thought much about oils before, this might surprise you. The right oil at the right time can make a world of difference for male hormone health. Let's start with something many of us already know and love: extra virgin olive oil. Now, this isn't just a fancy salad drizzle. When you take a tablespoon before bed, it becomes a foundational player for testosterone. Why at night? Because your body does a lot of repair and hormone production while you sleep, and olive oil gives your system the nutrients it needs to support that. Specifically, it helps protect testosterone from breaking down. You see, testosterone is constantly under attack from things like stress, inflammation, and oxidative damage. Olive oil acts like a little bodyguard, keeping that testosterone intact so your energy, mood, and vitality don't take a hit. It's amazing how something so simple, a spoonful of olive oil, can have such a profound effect. And it's not just about testosterone. Olive oil is packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, which support cardiovascular health and keep your arteries flexible. That means better blood flow, which is directly linked to libido and performance. And because it's natural and minimally processed, you're giving your body a clean, effective boost without any synthetic chemicals or complicated routines. Think of it as laying a solid foundation. If the base is strong, everything built on top of it works better. Once you've established that foundation, it's time to bring in something a little more targeted: pumpkin seed oil. Now, this one is especially useful for prostate health. For men over 30, or anyone dealing with urinary flow issues, this oil is a game changer. Just 1 or 2 teaspoons a day, and you're helping to keep the prostate functioning optimally. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, which is critical for testosterone production. Low zinc levels are directly linked to lower testosterone, weaker immunity, and even slower recovery from workouts. By including pumpkin seed oil in your routine, you're not just supporting the prostate, you're actively fueling your body's hormone production. Think of pumpkin seed oil as the specialized tool in your kit. Olive oil gives you the overall protection and support, while pumpkin seed oil goes straight to the areas that need a little extra attention. Together, they work synergistically. And here's the kicker: these oils don't just help today or tomorrow. Their effects accumulate over time. Regular use means you're consistently giving your body what it needs to maintain healthy hormone levels, better urinary function, and even improved mood and vitality. Finally, let's talk about black seed oil. This one is a true powerhouse for cellular protection. When it comes to testosterone, it's not only about making enough, it's about keeping the cells that produce it healthy and functioning properly. Black seed oil supports testicular cells, helping maintain hormone balance and, yes, even libido. Just a teaspoon or a capsule a day can provide your system with the compounds it needs to defend against oxidative stress and cellular damage. These oils aren't just supplements, they're a form of insurance for your hormonal health, protecting your most important systems so they can work at their best. Taken together, these 3 oils form a simple but incredibly effective trio. Olive oil sets the foundation, pumpkin seed oil targets prostate and zinc support, and black seed oil strengthens cellular resilience. You don't need complicated routines, expensive treatments, or multiple pills. Just this one-step nightly habit, and over time, you're building a system that protects your hormones, supports vitality, and enhances your overall well-being. The beauty is in the simplicity. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 to 2 teaspoons of pumpkin seed oil, and 1 teaspoon of black seed oil or capsule, done before bed. This small nightly routine is a tiny investment with outsized returns. It's about giving your body the tools to maintain balance, protect what's precious, and fuel the kind of energy, performance, and drive most men think they've lost forever. And when you commit to it consistently, you're not just supporting testosterone, you're supporting your life, your vitality, and the best version of yourself. When it comes to supporting male health and hormone function, the right oils aren't just supplements, they're nightly tools that fuel repair, circulation, and overall vitality. Take coconut oil, for example. Just a teaspoon to a tablespoon before bed provides your body with easily digestible fats that go straight to work while you sleep. These fats aren't just fuel, they help maintain a healthy metabolism, giving your body the energy it needs to repair tissues, rebuild hormone systems, and keep vital processes running efficiently overnight. Think of it as feeding your repair crews while they're hard at work. Over time, men notice more stable energy levels, better hormone balance, and even improvements in sleep quality because their bodies are actively recovering during the hours they're resting. Next in line is fish oil, which might seem less glamorous than olive or coconut oil, but its effects are profound. 1 to 3 grams before bed can make a significant difference in vascular health. Healthy blood vessels are essential for hormone delivery, nerve function, and sexual performance, and fish oil supports that by improving flexibility in the arteries, reducing inflammation, and maintaining optimal circulation. When blood flows freely, it carries nutrients and hormones efficiently, which is why fish oil is such a key part of this nightly routine. In addition, its omega-3 fatty acids play a major role in nerve health, ensuring that your body's messaging system, from hormone signals to muscular responses, works smoothly. Simply put, fish oil is the foundation that keeps your system running like a well-oiled machine. Then there's castor oil, which deserves careful consideration. Unlike the other oils, it's not for everyone, and it's something to discuss with your doctor before adding it to a routine. When used correctly, castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pelvic or reproductive inflammation. Chronic inflammation in these areas can subtly affect hormone production, circulation, and comfort. For men dealing with these issues under medical supervision, a properly dosed nightly application or ingestion can ease tension and support overall health. The key here is caution. Unlike coconut or fish oil, castor oil must be approached thoughtfully to avoid unwanted side effects. The beauty of these oils lies in how simple and strategic their use is. Coconut oil fuels repair and metabolism, fish oil maintains circulation and vascular flexibility, and castor oil, when appropriate, can address inflammation at the source. Together, they create a comprehensive nightly system that supports hormone production, tissue repair, and overall male vitality without the need for complex regimens or pharmaceutical interventions. By making these small additions a consistent habit, 1 teaspoon to a tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 to 3 grams of fish oil, and castor oil only when guided by a professional, you're giving your body exactly what it needs during the hours when it's most receptive. Nighttime is prime repair time, and with these oils, you're actively supporting the mechanisms that keep energy high, hormones balanced, and performance optimized. A simple, strategic nightly routine like this isn't just about short-term effects, it's an investment in long-term vitality and health. Small steps at night can lead to profound results by morning. Fuel your body the right way, and it will reward you with energy, balance, and resilience you might have thought was lost forever. Now that you know each oil's benefits, the key is putting them into a simple, steady routine. No need to take all 6 oils every night. Start week 1 with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil before bed. By week 2, add pumpkin seed oil on alternate nights for zinc and prostate support. From week 3 onward, rotate Olive plus black seed oil 3 nights, pumpkin seed oil 2 nights, coconut oil once, and fish oil daily. This covers hormones, circulation, metabolism, and prostate health without overwhelming your body. Consistency is essential. Like a gym routine, results depend on showing up regularly. What to expect? Week 1, better sleep, slight energy boost. Week 2 to 4, morning erections may start returning, though inconsistently. Week 6 to 8, stronger erections, improved intimacy, and more energy. By 2 to 3 months, most men experience full benefits: balanced hormones, improved circulation, smoother recovery, and renewed confidence. Safety notes: oils are generally safe, but consult your doctor if you take medications. Castor oil can cause digestive issues, so use cautiously. Never overload, start small, increase gradually, and stay consistent. Bottom line, build your protocol step by step. These simple nightly oils used thoughtfully can naturally restore performance, energy, vitality, and confidence over time. At the end of the day, it comes down to this: one small nightly habit can transform how your body feels and performs. For many men, strong morning erections seem impossible after years. But the body doesn't forget. It just needs the right tools. That's where these oils come in. These aren't magic potions. They won't create overnight results. What they do offer is science plus consistency. Each oil provides essential raw materials, circulation support, or cellular protection delivered at the exact time your body does its deepest repair while you sleep. The beauty is in the simplicity. No complex regimens, no prescriptions, no drastic lifestyle changes, just a tablespoon or two of carefully chosen oils each night, creating ripple effects on your hormones, sleep, energy, and confidence. The takeaway is clear: small, consistent actions matter. A nightly step may feel minor, but in a few weeks, you'll see how much your body can recover. These oils aren't hype. They're natural tools that, with patience and consistency, help you reclaim vitality, strength, and confidence, proving they don't have an expiration date. If this video resonated with you, it's time to take action, because knowledge alone won't create change. Start by liking this video and subscribing so you don't miss future tips that can transform your health, energy, and confidence. Sharing is just as important. Think of a friend, brother, or colleague who could benefit from this simple nightly routine. A quick share could be the nudge they need to reclaim what they thought was lost. Now, here's how to kickstart results: the 30-day oil challenge. This is a practical, science-backed way to give your body the nutrients it needs to restore hormones, circulation, and vitality. All it takes is consistency, patience, and showing up for yourself each night. If you're ready to commit, drop a comment below with the word "ready." That signals your dedication to your health and confidence. I'll pin a starter protocol in the comments so you can follow it easily, week by week, oil by oil, without confusion. Remember, this is about more than just physical results. It's about energy, confidence, and taking control of your health. One small nightly habit can create a ripple effect that transforms your mornings, days, and how you feel about yourself. Comment "ready" and let's begin this 30-day journey together.